16 degrees east on your master Como decoder. So if you have a master Como decoder and you like to actually track and then scan for the Reuters A16A, watch this video to the end. So all you got to do is to connect your signal cable, whether you have a stable signal from the satellite dish or you are about to add the TP on your decoder, and then you scan for it. You pick up your remote, connect the cable into the LNB import at the back of your master Como decoder, and you pick up your remote, you press on the menu button on the remote. So from the menu here, you use the arrow keys just to look for installation, and you press OK on the installation. So from the installation page, all you have to do is to select the DVB S2. You have the DVB T2 and C and factory reset. So the T2 and C are for the terrestrial or the digital setting. So you select the S2 and you proceed. So when you come here, you have antenna setting, satellite list, transponder list, motor setting. So you select the first option, that's the antenna setting, and you press OK on it. So when you come here, we have some options over here, the satellite folders. You have list of them over here, and we have the LNB power, LNB frequency, dissect. You are not doing multiple LNB installations, so you don't have to come on the dissect setting. You have the TP, that's the transponder. You have the search option as well. So you select the right satellite folder which you're going to use to actually scan for the Reuters A16A. That's the French FTA channels or my TV Africa channel. So you press OK, and then you search through the list. If the satellite folder have been pre-installed on it, you're gonna see it, and then you place it on it. So as you can see, you have it over here on the fourth option. So if you are using these same steps and you search through the pre-installed satellite folders and you cannot find the Reuters A16A on the 16 degrees east, all you got to do is to select a different satellite folder and you use it to actually scan or proceed by using the same steps while having a stable signal from the satellite. So you select the Reuters A16A, you press OK on it, and here after selecting the right satellite, the next thing is to place it on the right frequency. So you search through the pre-installed frequency that comes with the satellite folder. If you're gonna find their primary TP which will allow you to get a stable signal on it, or will let you track to get it easier. So that's the 10804 horizontal 30K. So I'm gonna highlight it on the screen, so you just pick it. If you haven't tracked for it, you pick it and then use it to track. So as you can see from the list, there is no option like that, so all you got to do is to add. So with adding, you need to go back, you press on the exit button and you go back, and when you come here with the adding option, you press on the exit button, and then you come to the transponder list, you press OK on the transponder list, and here you have to add. So on this page, all you got to do is to press on the green button for the add command to pop up, and then you add. So the green button for the add command, so all you got to do is to press on the figures 10804 horizontal 30K, so 30000, and you press OK to save. So they are saying it exists, so this is the nearest TP that it's over there. So you select it and you highlight it like this, and you proceed to search. So with the search option, you can press on the blue option for the search menu to pop up, but with this search option on this page, you are not likely to get the blind scan option. So as you can see, so all you got to do is to go back. The blind scan option will actually allow you to get more of the FTA channels in and around the satellite or the TP. So you come back to the antenna settings page after selecting your satellite and adding the TP, and then you place it, come down here to the TP option, you place it on the right TP over here, or the highlighted one, that's the 10804. It's the same thing, this is the nearest one. So you place it on it, and then you come to the start search option, you change it from satellite to blind or super blind, and you press OK for it to proceed with the scan option, so as you can see, you have FTA only. You can select yes to eliminate all those channels that are scrambled that won't be working, or you can leave it on no. And then radio TV, you can select TV only or leave it on all, and you press on a search for it to complete. So here all you have to do is to wait for it to complete scanning, and you get access to the channels that will be available on the platform. But make sure that you get enough of the signal quality, not less than 60%, to allow you to get more of the channels in and around a Reuters A16A satellite. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,